I got fired because of Pamela Anderson. That's a true story. 100% true. We are right here in Malibu. This is Starbucks right here. I worked here 20 years ago as a barista. It's the first time I'm coming back to this location when I was 23 years old, and now at the age of 27, I already became a millionaire and successful in my life. But now at the age of 43 years old, 20 years later, I'm right here at the same spot with you guys. I'm gonna show you Starbucks. I was the best barista, the best. A friend of mine is telling me, listen, Yanni, I found this place and they can definitely change a lot within yourself to make you successful. And I was like, I don't need this bullshit, this is not for me, Even though I'm making millions of dollars back in the day, I wasn't really fully my potential. Eventually he bought me a ticket, $600 ticket for the weekend. So he kind of like forced me to just go there. I went there for 3 days. The whole time I wanted to leave. But then something happened the last day. It's funny, but they have the doors set up the same way. So I used to be a musician, so I had an ad right here because I used to do live shows, live concerts every Sunday at 2 o'clock. I don't know if I know anybody inside, but if I will recognize someone, maybe I'll make a cup of coffee for everyone. And suddenly I'm sitting there and I'm looking at the stage. The speakers there, speak to me in a different way suddenly. Suddenly I hear different things that I never thought I can hear. And I had a breakthrough. The next day I'm going to the office. Suddenly I saw the office in a different way. I saw the people in my office in a different way. 2-3 weeks later, suddenly, boom, I'm opening a big office. I was shocked. That weekend, they opened up my mind. They opened up my horizon. Suddenly, I saw the world in a different way. I viewed the world in a different way. Back in the day, right here, there was the bathroom. And I used to drive here every day at 4:30 a.m. And the reason why I chose this shift is because I wanted to take a shower here at 4:30, so it's going to be too embarrassing in front of other people a little bit later that day. I go to the bar and hit it really, really hard because I loved actually what I do. I really loved what I did. There was a lot of people here, celebrities, a lot of people in the industry that I wanted to get to know, and the only way I could get to know them and get through them through the bar. I used to sit with like the biggest celebrities in Malibu, David Duchovny, Pamela Anderson. There was a real estate office right across the street right here. And all the realtors used to come and hang out here every morning. I used to make their coffee. They come, they grab their coffee, they come outside, they talk business between themselves. And I used to hang out with them. I used to talk to them. I used to take breaks. Every time I see someone on a break, I always go to them, I introduce myself. Those are the signals that I'm always talking about, that you need to listen to signals. Taking the initiative to do something, to make the change. My thing is that I crave for information. I crave to discover myself, to discover who I am. I've been through so much in my life. This one thing I feel that made me more successful than my competition in real estate in California is the fact that I'm daring. Is the fact that I'm actually doing what I want to do. I plan to do something today in the morning. By the end of the day, it's better be done. The guy that offered me the job to enter the real estate industry, he used to come here every morning. One day he came in here with his daughter. He has the daughter, 10 years old, blonde, beautiful. I told him, Arthur, listen, I have a video clip that I'm trying to do for VH1, and I wanted his daughter to be in my video. I wanted her to be the star of my video. And he agreed. And during those shoots, he told me, listen, Yanni, you're a businessman. You can come in and crash it in real estate. You can make money. And I didn't believe him because I couldn't believe in me. I've been through so much in my life. I've been through death, really, really, really hard time in my life. Why do I need to wait to create a success next year? Why? People are listening to me. And that's more powerful than money. You want to leave your job? Leave your job. You want to go out and travel the world? Just go out and travel the world. Why would I wait? Because then what's going to happen? It's you wait too long for everything to vanish. That's it. Done. It's not gonna be there anymore. Look at this. That was 20 years ago.
Is it you?
Yeah, right here in the door. We know that we are in shit right now. We know that we don't like our job. We know that we don't like everything that's happening with our lives, and we know that we need the change. We know for a fact. I got fired because of Pamela Anderson. That's a true story. 100% true. She used to tell me stories, and one day I listened to the radio and I hear that she got pregnant. And then I came here the next morning and she walked in with her kids. She has 2 boys. She always come in with them. I'm telling her behind the register, I'm like, Pamela, are you pregnant? Because I heard on the radio yesterday you're pregnant, but I know you're not. She's like, nah, you know, people just talking on the radio. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. Suddenly, the regional manager of Starbucks was right there behind me, which I didn't know. And he listened to the conversation. You cannot talk to an icon like that in front of people. You cannot do this. You know, she's a celebrity, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, listen, guys, she's a celebrity. I respect her, but, you know, we just talk because we know each other. I owe a lot of appreciation to Pamela Anderson for being fired from Starbucks because, you know, I couldn't get to where I'm at if I wouldn't get fired. That's when the change started happening. But I was being forced to make a change in my life, because if they wouldn't fire me, I would stay there. Now I come here as to drink coffee. I need to pay for it. It's different. I used to get it for free, but I love paying for it. Oh my God. It's better to pay for this and make millions of dollars than get it for free and make $600 a month. It's much better. I did it, you know, feeling really comfortable. I got to know everybody here around, and you get all the perks, you get everything for free. You make $600 a month working in Starbucks. You get so comfortable. You have the same people around you. You have the same bosses. You have, everything is going normal. Everything is going on a daily basis. You see everything the same, nothing changed. I was craving for the change. I was craving for things to get better in my life. This is something that people just research their whole entire life to understand why they can't come out of their comfort zone, this fucked up place that they're in, to go to a better place. They don't understand that. Now, today, I understand it. 20 years later, today I understand why I wanted to go out of my comfort zone. Today I understand why I wanted to be in a level that I can afford everything I want in my life. I can do whatever I want. I can create success. Do I live the life that I think I want to live? That's why I left Israel. That's why I left my family and my friends. I don't think so.